Have you ever said, "I will do it tomorrow," and then lost the chance forever? This is Simple English Tales. We tell real-life stories in simple English, with one clear lesson. James lived in the city. His mother lived in a small town. She was old, but still active. She cooked for herself. She waited for calls. James always planned to visit her. Next weekend. Next holiday. Tomorrow. He truly believed there was time. As months passed, small things changed. His mother started calling in the mornings instead of evenings. Sometimes, she forgot what she wanted to say. She often asked the same question, "When are you coming?" James answered with a smile, "Tomorrow." After each call, he felt a little uncomfortable. But life was busy. Work, traffic, stress. Tomorrow felt easier. One Friday, James finished work early. He packed his bag halfway. He checked the bus time. Then he sat down. "I am tired," he said. "I will go tomorrow morning." He unpacked the bag. That night, his phone rang. It was his sister. "Mum felt weak today," she said. "We took her to the hospital." James stood up. "I will come first thing tomorrow," he said. The next morning, James traveled early. At the hospital, the air was quiet. Too quiet. Doctors spoke softly. Nurses moved slowly. His sister looked tired. "She asked for you last night," she said. "She kept asking if you were on the way." James sat on a chair near the wall. He waited and waited. Then the doctor came. "I'm sorry," he said. James did not cry at first. He just nodded. The funeral was simple. Family members came. Old neighbors came. People said kind words. "She always talked about her son," someone said. "She said he was busy, but good." James stood quietly. He remembered the calls, the questions, the tomorrows. After everyone left, James stayed behind. He sat alone in the house. He found his mother's phone on the table. There were missed calls. All from her. All unanswered. That night, James could not sleep. He kept thinking, "I was not too busy. I was just waiting." James learned a hard truth. Some things cannot be delayed. Some people will not wait forever. Tomorrow is not always there. If someone matters to you, do not postpone them. Do not wait. Follow Simple English Tales for real-life stories and simple English lessons. If this story touched you, do not wait until tomorrow. Call someone. Visit someone. Do one small thing today. Subscribe to Simple English Tales to learn English through real-life stories and quiet lessons.